to my channel. So today's video we are going to be unboxing and trying on, you guys, my brand new wig. I am so excited, you guys, because I've been having this wig. I actually got it last week, but I have not put it on or anything like that, you guys. So I'm happy that I'm finally gonna be able to show you guys how this wig looks like. Before we get into the whole unboxing, guys, I want to actually show you guys the wig that I always tend to use in all my videos. For those that did not know, I actually use a wig, you guys, which is the dark black hair one, and I have it right here. This one right here is the one that you guys tend to see on all my videos. This one is by Cheryl Gems Cosmetic, you guys. This is their Angela wig. Now this wig, you guys, I love it. This was my first wig. It was super long, but I actually trimmed it because it started getting like very knotty, you guys. Now this is synthetic hair, all right, but it is so beautiful, you guys. Honestly, I love this one because it matches my hair perfectly. As you guys could see, my hair is a little bit damp right now because I took a shower, so I have it in a bonnet, you guys. But this one, I love it, you guys. But honestly, I just wanted to change it up, you know, try something different, you know, like playing around with hair, you guys. So yeah, so I'm super excited for my brand new wig, you guys. I just cannot wait to show you guys. But yeah, but this is the one that I tend to use in all my videos. All right, you guys, so this is my natural hair, and a lot of you, as you guys could see, I have really curly hair, you guys. Really curly hair. All right, now let me tell you guys, I did the big chop a couple of years ago because I damaged my hair from putting so much chemicals in it. I wanted it blonde, I wanted it blue, you guys name it. I've had all the colors. Most of my favorite color is red, so I damaged my hair a lot, you guys. But the past year when I was pregnant, my hair actually grew and it got super healthy, you guys. So I have not dyed my hair. I mean, I have trimmed it, but that's about it. So now I learned my lesson, you guys, when it comes to dyeing my hair. So I've been thinking a lot about getting into the whole wig thing. And instead of dyeing my hair different colors, you could just put on a wig and that's it. But I'm going to be trying on my new wig, seeing how it looks like. So I'm so excited, you guys. Honestly, I'm brand new at this. I actually bought like the glue. What is it? The super glue, whatever. Let me check my son really quick. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of little Noah, okay? Because this little boy just refuses to let me film, you guys. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot from him on all my videos. So don't be shocked if you see a baby pop out, you guys. It's just very hard to film with a 5-month-old, all right? But like I was telling you guys, so my hair has been extremely damaged in the past due to chemicals, bleaching it and all that stuff, that I'm so happy and thankful that my pregnancy actually made my hair grow, you guys. But still, yeah, I have not put any chemicals or anything like that. I used to straighten my hair a lot. So yeah, so I thought, what better way? And honestly, you guys, I recently started getting into wigs like last year. You know, instead of dyeing my hair, I could just, you know, put on a wig and that's it. Your hair will remain healthy. All you gotta do is wear a wig, you guys. So that's what I'm gonna be trying and getting more into, you guys. Which I have a very special announcement coming very soon, you guys. I'm so excited, but you just have to wait for it, all right? All right, you guys. So I am back, all right? So let's get the wig. Okay, you guys. Now I did my research a lot, and honestly, oh my god. Okay, you guys, so I have Amazon Prime, so I wanted to get something that I was gonna get right away. So you guys know I had to go on Amazon, you guys. I could not wait like 7 days for me to get my stuff. So I went on Amazon, I started looking at reviews for wigs, and I came across this company called RYSSMA. RYSSMAwig.com, you guys. I've seen a ton of YouTube videos regarding their hair and all this stuff. Good quality, quite affordable, you guys. So yeah, so I wanted to try it out for myself. So I bought it. This one is a lace front, you guys, which I wanted something more natural, you know, something that I could actually one day hopefully wear out. So I bought a lace front where you could actually glue it down on your scalp and all this stuff, make it look more realistic, you guys. So this is the bag right here, you guys. This is how it looks like. Sorry you guys keep hearing the cracking. Noah is like touching everything. So it comes with a wig cap, so you guys could see right here. And then it has this back little thing where you could scan this, whatever. But yeah, it comes with your wig cap, which of course you need. And I do not wear a wig cap when I wear my Angela wig, you guys. I've never invested in one. So yeah, so this one, and then it comes with this little, let me put this down because it's just making noise. Here, you can play with this. And then it comes with this little pamphlet right here that says RYSSMA wigs. And it's an instruction manual, you guys. So it just tells you how to groom it, how to take care of it, how to install it, and all that good stuff. And then, yeah, and it just tells you a hassle-free return policy. So yeah, guys, and it has all their social media accounts right here, so you guys can go check them out. Okay, you guys, so the wig that I got is called the RYSSMA Ash Blonde Lace Front Wig Ombre Side Deep. As you guys could see right here. I don't know why my phone I can't never teach my phone how to focus on things. So this one was actually $46.66, you guys, but I believe I paid a little bit less than that because they keep changing the prices on stuff, you guys. Like 1 week, you know, then 1 week the price is a little bit lower or a little bit higher. It's just crazy. So yeah, I actually paid $45.55. $45.55, you guys, as you guys could see. So know that it was not sent to me. I paid for it. $45.55, you guys. Now this is, again, their ash blonde lace front wig, ombre side deep, parting long wavy. All right, so that's the one that I got. Okay, you guys, so this is their wig right here. It comes in this little bag, and I hope that this full, not review, full unboxing could actually let you guys pick out your wig, because to be honest, you guys, when we're trying to buy a wig, we try to find YouTube videos that has the same wig. So that kind of helped me, seeing other girls unbox this, seeing the color. It helped me a lot when picking out this wig. So this is how it looks like, and oh my god, it kind of looks like almost like, it's not that white, like a white blonde, but can you guys see this? It has a very, very dark root, which is cute. It's nice, you guys. But I feel if I actually add a little bit of toner to this, like purple shampoo, I'll probably be able to get it a little bit more lighter. But yeah, but this is how it looks like. This is the front. Can you guys see that? The front has lace on the front right here. So it makes it look a lot natural. Let me put my hand right here so you guys could see. In the front right here, it makes it look a lot natural. And the inside has two little hooks right here, these little things right here, and then one on the bottom. Alright, guys, so we're gonna try to put this on. I'm gonna try and cut the lace just so I can make it look a little bit more natural. Now this is my first time doing this, you guys, so please don't touch it. I'm not a pro at this. If I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it wrong, you guys, but I'm brand new to this. Okay, so let's put on our wig cap. It comes with two. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to wear one, so I'm just gonna put one in my head, you guys. I'm just gonna put one in my head, and this one feels very, very small. So it comes with two of those things. I'm gonna grab my hair like this. I'm just gonna put it like this, like that. Now I have a lot of hair, you guys, a lot of hair. Put this in my dome, and we're just gonna put it over. Shit, I don't know how you wig girls, wig women. How you ladies that do this, like, how the hell do you do this? I don't know. You guys do this so natural. So we're just gonna put the hair inside. Alright, you guys, like this. Okay, it's on this side that I have freaking hair sticking out. Now this hair, guys, I want to mention also that it's like, the hair's like sticking out a lot. Like a lot, you guys. Like it's kind of staticky, I don't know. But yet again, I don't know. Okay, so I don't know, you guys, but we're going to try this out. Oh yeah, and it comes with an adjuster, this little thing right here, which my Angela wig has, you guys, and honestly, I don't even know how the hell to use it. So I don't know how they do it. I know you're supposed to put your head down here first. I don't know, you guys. Like, seriously? Oh my god. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god. I don't know if this wig is a little bit too small on my freaking head, because this bitch feels tight. This feels tight on my freaking forehead. Okay, I think I have it from back here. Where else? Okay, there's a clip here. Ooh, I need to really fix this, you guys, because it's really hurting my freaking head. What is this? This is like a fucking fail. Okay, I don't know how to do this, but this is how it looks like, you guys. It's a little knotted from the back, but I don't know. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, on the lighting makes it look very, like, not that white, like white blonde. So I think what I'm gonna do is give it a little rinse with purple shampoo, you guys, and hopefully that'll work. But it looks nice. Now I'm gonna attempt to cut it. You know what, I'm gonna cut it, you guys. Ugh. We're gonna attempt to cut it. Woo! Child. We're gonna get some little scissors. Or you know what? Maybe the pamphlet will tell me how to cut it. Washing. Let me see. Grooming. Washing. Storing. Yeah, guys, it does not say here how to cut it, so I don't know, but I'm gonna try it out. So I already cut it, you guys, as you could see. I cut it very short. I don't know where my hairbrush is at, but I'm gonna stick this hair inside again. Now I want to mention, you guys, this looks very natural. Can you guys see that? It looks super natural. That hairline, look at that. You just gotta put a little bit of like concealer and that's it. That's crazy. So we're gonna try this again. Okay, now what happened here? Okay, here it goes. Okay. Too bad I don't have a mirror. You know what? Yes, I do. Okay, you guys. So, my final thoughts on this wig, you guys. Ni modo, ya me chingué, ya pagué por ella. But, I have to say, I like it, you guys. I honestly love the color. It looks very cute. It sheds, you guys, and it gets knotted. Like, it gets really knotted, but I'm pretty sure it's nothing that like a brush will freaking fix. As part of the sizing, I don't know if it's too small, you guys, or I don't know what, but I feel it very like tight around this area, and the lace is like scratching the shit out of my big ass forehead. But it looks very nice. Can you guys see that? It looks very nice. I like it. I just gotta be able to like fix it, you guys. I don't know why I feel like a lot of you are gonna be like, you shouldn't have cut it that short. But honestly, you guys, I do not know how to glue, like, I don't know how to install these. But I made sure that I left some, but I feel it very tight around this area. I don't know if it's because of my hair, how I put it, but it looks very nice, you guys. But it just gets very tangly. But yeah, I do feel it tight around here. So yeah, guys, my Angela wig, to be honest, you guys, feels very comfortable in my head. I don't feel no pressure, no tightness right here. But this one, I don't know if it's because brand new or something, but I don't know, you guys. I'm looking at this. What size is this? It just says length as picture, hair color as picture, cap medium. So yeah, guys. But yeah, I have to say that's how it is. So if you guys buy it, hopefully you guys like it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of purple shampoo just to lighten it up a little bit, because I feel it like it's a little bit too, I don't know. So I feel like it's a little bit like too, I don't know, I'm gonna say yellowish. It's just very ashy, you guys. Very tight from here. Let me tell you guys, my forehead is so hot because it's so tight. But other than that, I do like it, you guys. One thing that I would recommend is for them to actually show us how to cut the damn lace, you guys, because I don't know if I messed mine up. Woo! What?
Where's my real mom?
Right here. I don't know if I messed mine up, you guys, but it hurts right here. The pressure that I'm feeling right here, you guys, is just crazy. Like, it's bugging me so much. But the wig is beautiful. Do not get me wrong. It's beautiful. The color is amazing. But I think, like, I have to get used to the whole lace front, you guys. But yeah, there's irritation in my forehead right now. So yeah. But hey, I wanted to try lace front. I finally got it. We are going to be using this wig to actually film future videos. So if you guys see my hair like this, you see it like this. If you guys see my hair differently, then you guys know my Angela wig is there. But yeah, but this is how it looks like. So anyways, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you guys out when it comes to purchasing this wig. I hope it gives you guys a little bit more of a description when it comes to this, because trust me, these kinds of videos help a lot of people that are trying to see reviews of items that they like online, you guys. So I hope that this helps you out. If it does, let me know down in the comment section, you guys. All right, other than that, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys have any tips for me, leave them down below in the comment section, guys. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.